Hey, lovely people, welcome back or welcome if you're new. We are in the summer holidays, and as you know, I have children. So if you hear banging, don't worry, they are literally just killing each other. We are going to talk about a struggle I'm sure we all have, staying disciplined when you really cannot be bothered. So, today I'm going to help you push through and get those jobs around the house done that you've been avoiding. I get it, cleaning feels like a chore, especially when you're tired and really just not in the mood. But maintaining a clean space can be crucial for our mental and physical well being. So let's dive into some strategies to help you stay disciplined even when you can't be bothered to clean. But first, let's unpack what discipline means, especially relating to housekeeping. A virtuous woman said, self discipline, doing what you know needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. When life becomes overwhelming, we tend to just ignore the root of it. This applies to many areas in life, but today let's focus on housekeeping. So, for example, that washing mountain or junk drawer, or in my case, my Monica cupboard, it's easier just to walk away and pretend we don't see it. I mean, wouldn't we all rather do something that's not so boring? Unfortunately, ignoring will only make the problem bigger. So, this is where self discipline comes into play. Let's look at why cleaning is important. For me, I know when my house is tidy, it helps reduce my stress and makes my brain feel less jumbled. When our surroundings are tidy, we can focus better and feel more at ease. Think of how you feel in a cluttered or untidy space versus a clean one. I like to put my house to bed each night by doing a routine, even when I just can't be bothered. This is when discipline takes over because I know my sleep quality is better. And when I wake up, I've set a positive tone for the day. After this song, we're going to talk about how to get started.
Feel, almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field. When your summer dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we'd be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put 'em in the sky, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we'd be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better
One effective way to get started that helps me is by setting myself small, manageable goals. You really don't want to overwhelm yourself. I mean, the idea of cleaning your whole house from top to bottom would easily send me into panic mode. So break it down into smaller tasks. Set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes and put all your focus on that one area. There's no rules when it comes to cleaning your own home. You may find you're tapped out and done for the day once that timer goes off. Just try and do the same again the next day using discipline. You actually may find you've achieved a lot in the 20 minutes and now have the motivation to see that task through to the end. Also, creating a cleaning routine could make a huge difference to your life. When cleaning becomes part of your day, be it when the kids are at school or when you're home from work or at the weekend, if you're staying consistent, over time it will start to feel less daunting. So, consistency is the key, and consistency goes hand in hand with being disciplined.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, a fancy car. You're insatiable. And that's true. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals. But you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. Pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. And you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. Crazy. Let your body. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy. Crazy, yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. Whoa, it's so crazy.
Let's talk high and low points to my week. My high is school is out for the summer. There's no urgency to get up and get the kids out the door. There's no strict bedtime routines. And we all get time to decompose and rest our souls for the next 6 weeks. So, my low point, we didn't even make it half a day before a fight broke out. Now, when I say a fight broke out or my kids fight, I don't mean physically, although we have had them moments. The boys prefer that the whole village hears the screaming and door slammings and things being thrown around. Thankfully, we are friends with our neighbours, both sides, so they know the boys are actually okay and know they don't need to phone social services.
So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of love. I'm tired of always see the
So, guys, I'm afraid we are nearing the end of today's video. Remember, staying disciplined when you don't feel like cleaning is all about mindset and strategy. Set yourself small goals, create a routine, and reward yourself when you've achieved them goals. You absolutely can keep a tidy home without feeling overwhelmed. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. You guys are amazing. If you found this content helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any tips of your own or just want to say hi, come and chat with me in the comments. I've noticed that I have lots of returning viewers who aren't subscribed. It would help my channel immensely if you would click that subscribe button. It is totally free. It helps YouTube recognize my channel and promote me to more people. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Much love.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in